Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun winter wreath DIY. So what I want to go for is I want it to look like a snowy wreath, and I'm going to use some of the microfiber mop heads from the Dollar Tree and just one of their wire wreath forms. These are the ones that come in like the 3-pack. It doesn't have to be much. This is going to be a very lightweight wreath. I'm actually making this for my wall. And I just use hot glue to glue the microfiber mop head to itself, covering it. What I want to do here is I want to make it look like a snowy life ring because I really love like coastal winter. So I want it to look like a buoy, like a life buoy. And so I am using a total of 4 of them. I think that's going to be plenty to cover the whole thing. And as you can see, I'm just folding it over and hot gluing it to itself. Could not be any easier, and it's going to give me this great buoy shape, but it's going to look nice and snowy. Now the transition where the 4 different microfiber mop heads come together is where we're going to kind of make it look like a life buoy, and I'm going to do that with just some of the burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This is the wired one. You can kind of use whatever you have, but I do kind of like the look of the burlap, and I'm just using hot glue to glue it to itself here on the back of the wreath where you're not going to be able to see it. It covers the transition between the mop heads perfectly and is going to give me the round shape that I want and less of a boxy look. So I do that with all 4 transitions, just gluing it to itself. I'm also going to dress that up a little bit. I'm not going to leave it as just burlap. For the ropes to go around the edges, I'm using Dollar Tree white nautical rope, and I just put it right inside the ribbon that we already did. We're going to string that all the way around, all 4 sides, and have it end right here on the inside. I just secure it with a little bit of hot glue to keep it in place. Now, it's not really wired, and I couldn't really get it to keep its shape while hanging on the wall. So my trick for that is I'm actually just using some of the Dollar Tree wire jute on the back where you're not going to be able to see it. And I actually just hot glued that on just to make it moldable and to be able to make it stand out more. Maybe if my piece of rope had been a little bit longer, I might not have needed to do that step. Now for a little bit of blue, I love this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It's like the light blue with the white snowflakes on it. And I think this is going to be the perfect final touch for our Life Buoy winter wreath. I just use hot glue and attach it on the back like I did all 4 of the burlap pieces. And that is my touch of blue. I can hang this on the wall. It looks like a snowy life buoy. I think it's so funny for coastal winter. If you'd like more winter or Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.